Hi guys, it's Sasa Crafter. I also did the door hanger for swap. I set up this swap Gina blog, my scrap room. I set up because it's very easy for me. I like to alter things. Not really good, but not bad like making mini album or something. So I hope my partner Barry. Hi Barry, I hope you like this hanger. So I'm kind of nervous and scared a little bit. Let me tell you a little bit. Uh, the the hanger I bought at Hobby Lobby, 47 cents. I made two-sided. This one I painted in acrylic, white acrylic paint, and I stamped with a Versamark stamp on the paint here, and then I used clear embossing powder, and I used a heat tool to made it pop it up, and then I distress with the the vintage photo, so the stem image pop up. I have a little bit stain here. I hope you don't mind, Barry. My first time it's kinda not that perfect. Did butterfly from La Collection, did flower La Collection, but this one is the flower from my store. I sold out this one. I don't have it anymore. It should coming up soon, but don't know when. And this foliage limestone, I'm selling them. And this butterfly, I'm selling them also. And this one, really pretty. I love these. I'm selling them. And this trim, I also selling them. See here, really tiny. This one I have the ivory, and I have white color. I don't think I post this color sale yet. And I have pink. I have green mint. I have purple. I have big size here, purple and pink. I guess I have only two colors. And the trim here, I love this trim. I already have one color, but more color coming up. I also sell at my store here. Oh, the paper that I used from this stack, the Mariposa. And what? Did I tell you the dress form that I used? I download from Crabberry Bog. No, it's right. Or the dress form, I printed out the template from Crabberry blog. You guys can check it out. I don't have the die for dress form. I print this one out and then cut and thread it, cut on a chipboard. It's actually really good. This one I pop up with the foam to get dimension. I think that's it. I cover everything. Oh, when I coach with Mod Podge, and I thin down with the water a little bit, and I coat them all. I think I like put the water in it, easy for me to coat. Really, I kind of like how the result look. I try to use a Mod Podge straight too, and it's kind of really sticky and not look smooth at all, so I really don't like. I think I like this one better, thinner with water. And this one, dress form, Charlene can put this one here and said, please be quiet, I'm recording. And this one also, please do not disturb. And this one she can this one also put over here, see, hiding over here. And this side she also can use this side too. And this one put this over here. And this one kind of a little bit mean, and please leave me alone. And this one, please go away, just in case did I say Charlene? No, just in case Beverly angry with her husband or something, want to be alone. Anyway, try to be funny but not really funny, huh? Anyway, that's it, my door hanger swap for Beverly. I hope she like it. I kind of know it and scared. Anyway, if I have time, I will post the video how I made these. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.